Alright guys, another 3D print model we're about ready to put together here. This I call my lighted letterbox, as you saw in the intro. I'm pretty happy with how this turned out. It's a pretty simple piece to go ahead and print. I left the model in the description below where you can find that on Thingiverse. I designed it on Tinkercad. I left that link below as well if you want to design something yourself or maybe make modifications to my design here on this lighted letterboard with LED lights by GOVEE. I'll leave that description as well below. Anyways, all this is 3D printed except this aluminum foil I put back here, and I pre-super glued this before our video here just to get some of that idle time out of the way. This is pretty simple, just cut some strips and super glue it. I recommend the Gorilla super glue, shaken very well so that it turns into a gel, and I use that on almost all my 3D projects. And so I printed this with 2 different colors. If you print it with one color, you could print all these up. Here's my sign with some letters in it. But if you print it in one color, I recommend lining it up in your slicer to print on your print base just like this. You can do it all in white. You need the white for the actual letterboard, so you can make all pieces in white and print this within a day. But anyways, I did it. I had 2 different printers going, so I printed the half back in black and then the letterboard in white. So guys, and the letters just slide out. There is some friction on some of the letters. I made these in Tinkercad too. You can make your own letters and sayings, but see how that is hollow there, right here. So, it doesn't take too long to print. Allow one day. So guys, this actually fits together and it's grooved here. And it just slides together like this. Look at how easy this print is. That slides together. And then you have an end cap right here, and it's got little dowels in it that line up with the white letterboard. And you just line up the dowels, and it's just like that, guys. That's your letterboard. Let's put the LEDs in now. See how quick we can get this put together. All right. And see how bright it is. I already kind of tested it out, but I could only put, a set of LEDs in there partially because I wanted to put it together here with you guys today. I like the GOVEE. It comes with just enough lights, probably a little bit more than you'll need. These are great for behind LED or OLED now television sets. These work very good because they work with sound. They'll change colors with sound. Here's what you get in the box. You get a little control pad, and this has a built-in mic on it. This is the GOVEE LED lights. And then you get this here is your actual power plug, USB power plug. And you get some attachable clips and alcohol pad. So guys, let's set that aside here. I've used these LED light strips many times before. I like these because they're not coated, they're exposed, so they're very pliable, a lot more pliable to stick to 3D prints. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to loop these lights back and forth through these 3 channels here all the way up. And I've made a hole in a 3D print where you can plug in your power strip. So let's take this apart and see how we should do this. This is where the plug where your LED strip plugs into. This plugs into your power cord. So we could put this inside here, but I think it's going to block some of our lights at the bottom. We could mount it on the back side. I might attach it to the back side. It's got 2-sided tape, and then have this go in, so we can unattach this if we wanted to, if we ever had to move it. Maybe make it non-lighted in some cases. But I'm going to go ahead and start here. And I'm going to have to know how much I need so I can cut this. So I'm just going to pre-lay this out of how I want this looped around. And loosely lays out. So I need to figure out what length we need here. I think we got it, guys. All LED strips are run, snaked through these channels back and forth. I've got an end right here I can plug in. I just got to stick this power cord in through here. See how this is going to work, guys. Make sure you plug this cord in the correct way. Like I said, I prefer the GOVEE brand LED strips. In the link I put below the description in this video, they work the best, and I think after running these, I think it's the best for this project as well. But if you've got an old strip or extra laying around, you can do that as well. Use those. Got it plugged in here. Slide it together. Just make sure it's snug in the bottom. Put on our end cap. Make sure we get the dowels in place. And snap that together. It pops on very nice, guys. Very, very good. And then here we go, moment of truth. I'm going to turn it on. I like these GOVEE lights too because they work with Alexa and Google Home as well. So I think you'll get a big kick out of this. Look at that, it's bright enough too. I love it. And I've got all the studio lights on in here. So let's see, try it through different modes. It's pretty cool. All right, I'm gonna get the letters set up. I'll be right back. I'm loving it, guys. I'm loving it. How about you guys? You like it? Stay tuned. I'm gonna put a little saying together here. Okay, I wrapped the cord up here, and I'm gonna just stick this on the back of the letterboard. It already comes with the 3M 2-sided tape on it. So I'm just gonna peel that off. I've got the microphone hole facing upwards to listen for any sound or music. And just apply a little bit of pressure there, not much. And it's stuck on there, guys. Now it's compact. So, here we go, guys. That's your lighted letterboard. And I installed the GOVEE app. So let's try that out. Here's brightness control. See if it's working. Brightness. Looks like it. It's got a timer control on it. You can choose all your different colors right here on the GOVEE app. I really suggest the GOVEE lights for this lighted letterboard, and then you can have it activate with music and stuff too. Let's see what else this can do. Is that purple, green? It should be red, orange, yellow. Yeah, okay, yellow, aqua. Here's the cool color of the light there. And you can go to the color wheel as well and just select anywhere on the color wheel. Is that working? Yeah, okay. Looking for new devices on my Amazon. See how this works, guys. All right, guys, I dimmed the light down a little bit so we can see this in operation. And it could be paired to Alexa, I believe, or Google Home devices. Check the GOVEE website or the description below. Amazon, turn on letterboard.
Okay.
Works, guys. Amazon, change letterboard to green.
Okay.
Amazon, change letterboard to yellow.
Okay.
Guys, it's working. Very happy with this project. I'm sure you will be too. Create your own letterboard. Sure, you could buy one on Amazon, but what's the fun in that? Make your own. You can tell everybody you made it. You can put it up on your bookcase like I plan on doing right up here or something and have that going in the background. You can change it to music mode or different settings. It's up to you. And the settings you want to use, we're going to change this to setting music right now. And now it's on music, so it's in talking mode or music. It picks up the talking or music and it will turn the lights on while it hears you talking or anything in the room happening with voice or audio. It's going to be playing like this. Or you could change it to scenes. Here's scenes, and different scenes you can change it. This is candlelight scene right here. Here's a movie scene right here. This one's movie scene. I guess it's slowly changing through the colors. Here's blinking scene. And here's breathe scene on your GOVEE app. Guys, thanks again for tuning in to another one of my 3D print videos. I'll see you on the next one.
I got an ache inside of me. It's a deep hole where I bleed. Oh, can I seal it? You're like an ocean without land. Not a single grain of sand. I'm drifting on it.